Hey guys, James with Shelter Construction Services. Hope you're having a great day. Wanted to show you one of the reasons why we love going into attics and seeing exactly what's going on with the roof before we work on it. So back here, the lady's got a leak that's going on down here in the lower area. But one of the things that we did was we were able to pull the insulation down. The contractor actually went back and put shingles on this roof and did this right. This is actually good. This is a ventilation, allowed the roof deck to ventilate from the soffit all the way to the ridge. It's got ridge vent on it. There's one major issue here though. So this is actually rough cut lumber right here. What you see is all rough cut lumber, and these are decking boards back here. And I'm going to show you on the other side here, same thing, a little bit better light here. So one of the things that we're seeing is like right here, massive gap. I'm going to take you in and let you take a look at that right quick. So if you look at the deck, we've got gaps like that right there. A nail can be shot through that. It's almost over an inch right here. Then we come down here, the gaps are smaller, wider. So it's variable gaps between the decking boards. So that creates a huge issue. But whether you're hand nailing or using a pneumatic nail gun, that is going to create a leak point because the nails can get shot through that. The other thing is the water can actually get a nail pop right here, go in, follow this all the way down to the edge. And that's kind of what we're seeing that's happening in this house right now. We've got a few nails that have come out and nails that are not secured. I've got one nail that's sitting in here. On the other side, same type of situation. Nail has come through. I gotta see where that one was. I saw it a minute ago. Here it is. I'm gonna show it to you right there. So we got a nail here, and he's got the second nail right there. It's completely missed the board. So that is what we're looking for. And this is a great example of the old school roofs. If you have an old farmhouse or an old roof like that, you got to know what your deck looks like before you put shingles back on. This was probably an old turn metal roof. They tore it off. It cost a lot to put a new turn metal roof back on. So shingles, absolutely more economical. But you got to redeck. The problem with that is it's going to cost you because you got to redeck it. So be aware of that. If you have a house like that, be aware that you're going to have to take care of that. But eventually this is all going to be finished off, but we got to make sure that that deck is correct. Otherwise, you're going to have water on your insulation, water on your new ceiling back here, and water intrusion, and it's just going to damage all your drywall and all that. So guys, y'all have a great one. James again with Shelter Construction Services. If you need us, we are in Southern Virginia. We'd be glad to help you out. Y'all have a good one.